I hesitated to buy this book because usually these books look nice on the cover, but inside it's just a random Lego builds, which I usually struggle to build because I don't have enough pieces. So, but this time something caught my eye. It says, build yourself a Lego vacation. And also it comes with a mini model to build your camping site. And I thought that sounds amazing. So let's have a look inside. So it says in the book more than 50 exciting ideas. Let's see what they are. I think this is my favorite part of the book, the actual build. Right, first let's look at the content. So here are all the ideas included in this book. Let's go camping. So I will build a caravan using the bits included in the book. Next is 2 mini board games to keep you entertained whilst traveling. If you like airplanes, next page is for you. Next we have little choo-choo train build. Next page tells you how to build mini station. It could be train station or bus station, whichever you prefer. Fun at the fair is next. You can build bumper cars and high striker for your minifigures. On next page we're going into the wild on a magical safari ride. If you like hiking in the forest, this page is for you. How good is your memory? You can test your memory with this little micro memory game. Bucket and spade build has that summery vibe. Get packing with these cool suitcases. Give your minifigure a private beach hut this summer. If you like skiing and ice skating, this page is for you. In the next page, it tells you how to create a 3D greeting card. That is such an awesome idea. Create a beautiful horse trail for your minifigures to go riding along. Are you into microcars? I will certainly attempt to build all of these. Next page is all about magical woodland and fairies. Next page you can build your own circus. Only the most adventurous minifigures should go kayaking. After we've done kayaking, we can create our own treasure map. This microscale motorhome is built at a small size to make it simple to build. There is always lots to see and do at the working farm. Next, take a deep dive into the ocean and discover what lies beneath the waves. Do you like architecture? Then this page is for you. Prepare your minifigures for rock climbing experience. I like the idea of creating this keepsake box for extra special items. Build a sunny seashore with laid-back loungers and lots of soft sand for building castles. I Spy is a perfect game to play on a long journey. If I had pink slides in my collection, I would certainly build water park. After water park, let's go have a picnic in a park. Let's build a fantasy island next. Next is an idea how to build a speedboat and a log cabin. And here are instructions to build caravan. Feel free to pause if you need these instructions. Useful pieces are listed at the back. Right, so we went through 50 amazing ideas and now let's build a caravan. It is a very small build and comes in a little poly bag. This set contained only 32 pieces. So on a fresh lawn, I'm gonna start laying some foundations for my caravan. Adding some living area and a little door, And of course windows. Just like that, it disappeared. I think I pressed it a bit too hard. I better go find it. There it is. Adding a little path in the front. And little step. How cute that is. And little flowers. What a cute detail. And lastly, I believe this is a satellite dish. I think it is. I believe this could be the owner of the caravan. Let's add some bushes in the front. Oh, very pretty. And in less than a minute, the build is finished. What do you think? Oh, I think it's very cute. Just 32 pieces. I didn't realize the model shown on the front of the book was actually built at 1:1 scale. And before you go, here are some behind the scenes outtakes. Going downstairs. Lift. What am I going to say about this book? I don't know. Actually, I got two. One I bought myself and one brought Santa. Thanks, Santa, I've got double. Right, cat is back into my filming area. Guys, you can knock down my camera. Oh. Look. This is a little blueberry. He likes Lego too. Hello, I like Lego too.